Hi everyone, my name's Teresa. Thanks for joining me. Today I am planting out my sunflower seedlings. I started 4 different kinds this year, and the reason I've wanted to keep growing sunflowers is they bring in the goldfinches, the little yellow birds. When we first moved here, they would be over in the field over there, the hay field. You'd see them every year, but they never come over into the yard until I grew sunflowers. So if you want to attract them into your yard, if they live in your area, plant sunflowers. I will put on the screen a picture of the 4 packs. The one's called a Velvet Queen. Can't remember the names of the other ones right now. Anyway, I'll show the packs on the screen for you. The first one is a dwarf one. It really gets like 2 foot tall, maybe 3 depending on the conditions of the soil, and it will branch out. With the others will grow anywhere from 5 foot to 8 foot tall. So I'm gonna get busy and get them in the ground, and then I've got my containers around front. I'm gonna finish. I've already started them a little bit at a time. I put some black knight elephant ears in the back with the canna in the center. I just gotta add a couple more things around the side and the front of it, and I'll show you those. So that's my video for today. Thank you for joining me. You all stay safe and God bless.